No. Hello you guys, and welcome to this brand new dog training tutorial. In today's tutorial I want to show you guys how you can teach your dog to go to its place, to settle down, to relax, where you use the commando place or calm down, something like that. And you can use this to create a relaxing atmosphere, to create a relaxing dog. And you can use this in situations, for example, when you're cooking or when you get friends or family visiting you. So it's very convenient and very smart. So the first thing what you want to do to make sure that your dog is going onto the baskets by itself is you can use some treats. Yeah, precies. Yeah, now it's already interesting for her. And to make sure that your dog goes onto the basket, you can put some treats on the basket. And as soon as she's going to put one paw or just her whole body onto the basket, then you have to reward her. Goed zo. Kijk eens. Goed zo. Goldie, kijk eens. Goed zo. And as long as your dog stays on the basket, you can just continuously reward your dog. Goed zo. Do this a couple of times and add the command bad to it, or there you have it. This is the reason what you want to have, because this creates calmness and a relaxed situation which you can use in example, for example, when you're cooking, as I said, or have friends over. Mand. I use the command mand because it's Dutch for basket and she's Dutch. Mand. 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 Goed zo. Mand. Kom eens. Mand. Goed zo. Mand. Mand, and pay attention as soon as your dog, as you can see here, put another leg on the basket. Reward, reward and reward, because this is very good behavior. This is, there you have it. So again, I'm going to show it again. Come see, you put treats on the basket and say basket mand in Dutch. Mand, again, put another leg on it, mand, and the whole body. Mand, goed zo. And this, now she's laying down, that was actually the step afterwards. As soon as she lays down, reward even more, because this results in a relaxing, calm atmosphere situation. And this is what you want to have. You have to be calm and relaxing yourself as well, because your dog can feel what you're feeling. So again, the first step was grab a basket for your dog, something attractive and nice that your dog really likes. Second step was throw treats on the basket, so your dog goes to the basket, and as soon as your dog touches the basket with one or two paws, reward, reward, reward. Repeat that step a couple of times, then try to get your dog completely on the basket. So as soon as she has 3 paws on, reward. As soon as the fourth comes on, reward. Which means when she's basically on the basket, reward very heavily. So there was kind of a small, short tutorial, but it's very critical to create an, again, easy and relaxing atmosphere. If you have questions about this topic, let me know. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.